In this video, I'm going to show you how to change date and time on your iPhone on iOS 16. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and here tap on General. Next, hit on Date and Time, and there, as you can see, date and time is now set automatically. So to manually change time zone and date and time, all you have to do is firstly disable that feature. Just tap on that switcher to toggle it off, and now you can change time zone. Just tap on time zone, and here at the search field start typing new time zone, and then you can select any time zone from that list. Let it be New York, USA, for example. And also you can hit there on date and change it. You can change month, you can change even year in that way. If you want to change the time, you can't do this because time controls by your time zone. So if you want to change time, just hit there at time zone and change it to any that you want, and as you can see, time zone controls time. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.